Alright YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can make thumbnails for your Roblox YouTube videos. If you are a YouTuber, a content creator that plays Roblox, you're going to find this useful. So I'm going to show you guys some techniques, some tricks you can use for any game thumbnail. But for today's example, I think I'm going to use Bed Wars, because it is a popular game, and it will help me. It's gonna make it easy to explain some certain techniques. So let's find a model that we should use. Alright, I like this model. This model is pretty cool. So alright, apparently this is called the Aries kit. I was actually wondering why it's called Spearman, because it does not look like one, but it makes sense now. Okay, so figure out a pose. I don't really know how you want to pose it, but so if you hold Alt and Shift, you can select these body parts right here, and then you want to select the left hand and left upper arm. I'm just gonna use this just for an example. So we're gonna take a screenshot of this. So alright, Photoshop, canvas is 1280 by 720, resolution of 100. Alright, so I'm gonna paste the screenshot in, but first let's make a new layer, and let's take a rectangle tool, and right here let's grab a green color like this, super bright, and we're gonna drag a grass. I'm gonna drag a little floor like this. Alright, so on Google you're gonna look for a sky like this. Okay, once you're happy with that, we're gonna take our render here and take our quick selection tool. We're just gonna use this, and we're going to select our character. Very simple. If you make a selection that goes over, just hold Alt, and you can subtract the selection by doing that. So, and I think we're good. Double check, right click, select the mask, turn the radius, smooth, contrast up, hit OK. We're gonna go Control J. Now we have the character models. Now we have the character model separate from the background. So actually I'm gonna move the grass down. Alright, so now it's sort of like this, and what we could do is make a layer on top of the grass layer. Take your ellipse tool, make your color into black, however you want. If you hit the D key, it will reset your colors. We're just gonna drag a circle, ellipse, blur, go to Gaussian blur, hit rasterize. Here we're gonna make a little shadow on the floor. Okay. This, we're gonna right click our character, go into blending options, and now we're gonna add some effects to our character. I'm gonna do inner shadow, normal, just copy my settings here. Go for a satin layer right here, bevel and emboss as well. Increase it. I don't know why it's like this. Interesting. I don't know why my settings on this are messed up. It shouldn't be, but it is. Anyways, add a nice little bevel and emboss. You could add a drop shadow if you want. You don't have to. Just sort of like that. Another inner shadow. Right, so we have our character, and I don't know, these skies kind of bothering me. Alright, so I just use a Roblox sky instead. Alright, so on Google, if you look up action lines PNG, you can take something like this right here, you paste it in, make the emote into screen, and now we have something interesting. Move these two to the center, as you can see, and we can take this, take your eraser, just kind of fade it out a little bit. Alright, it's pretty cool. What else can we do? Let's make a new layer. Underneath, let's make our brush color into blue. Similar color. Right here. We can paint like that. Linear dodge, copy this. And let's go to overlay. Alright, it's cool. Alright, I guess if you want to be extra, you can add some lightning effects. Kind of like this. Right here. If you want to. Although this is not like a particular video idea, or like this bad voice thing, I'm just taking a random kit, making a thumbnail out of it, but I think it looks fine. I think it looks pretty good, if you ask me. You get some text, maybe like that or something. You know what I mean? It's right here, and it's really simple. Just make this red, like that, and you go for a stroke, drop shadow. And it ends up looking, it looks pretty good. I think that's solid. Alright, now the thing that finalizes your thumbnail will be this. So if you take the top layer, click on it, hold shift, click on the bottommost layer, Control G to make a group, Control J to copy the group, Control E to flatten the new group. Alright, now we're gonna hide the previous one. Alright, now you will see, oops, there are excess on this layer, right? So how do we fix that? You hit Control A to select the canvas. You hit Control J to copy that. Alright, delete the bottom one. Now the new one is going to be, it's gonna have the stuff cut out. Now we Control J to copy this one last time for a duplicate. And we go up to filter, camera raw filter, right here. And in here, turn your texture all the way up, clarity, a little bit, turn the blacks and whites, adjust accordingly, right, to how you want it. Use some contrast if you want, exposure, and now one of the most important is vibrance. Now you want a lot because YouTube thumbnails, it's gonna make it stand out. So you see the before and after. So now we can hit Control, click on both, Control E to merge, Control J to copy. We go filter, blur, and we go Gaussian blur. And don't do too much, but I'm gonna go for like 2.5. Okay, use your eraser tool and erase the blur from the text as well as maybe actually in the character, obviously. And here it is. Here's your completed YouTube Roblox thumbnail. If this video helps you, if you're a YouTuber and this video helps you with your next thumbnail, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more content, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.